we are in for a really special treat. I don't think anyone loved Drax more than Sean Big Daddy McKee. And he is the surprise for us, the closer as always. And Sean, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for sharing this with us, you and your talent today.
My friends, would you kindly rise? Everybody, please stand up. All I gotta say is, Drax, I miss you. We love you. And on our President's Day, if tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, or at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the ones who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston, and New York to LA. Well, there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say, now I'm proud to be an American, or at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the ones who died, who gave that right to me. And I'm glad to stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. Now I'm proud to be an American, or at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the ones who died, who gave that right to me. But I'm glad to stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the Drax, I love you. We miss you. To all of you in here, learn, learn, learn. And it's thanks to him that we're still here doing this. Love you all.
Thank you, Larry Williams, Sean, and everyone who shared their memories and moments with Drax.
Larry!
Please conquer your fears, build your future, and be your best. And that will be your greatest thanks to what Drax gave to all of us. And now,